Hello my dear few followers, this time I'm trying restore cream to polish and make it shiny many metals for cars, bikes, motorbikes. Its name is HP34, it's a French product. It works on aluminium, chrome, inox and other metals, but not on coated aluminium or anodized aluminiums. You can find it easily on internet. Here are the contact information. So you will need some wood steel, soft cloth to clean it, and the cream. So I put it because it's easier when you carry the camera on the wheel. So you may have seen on Facebook years ago, it's some old Peugeot bicycles, and we keep it in the south of France, where you have a lot of water, so and salted water. The sea is at 5,000 meters from here, so it's a salted area. So okay, I have now started the process. You need glove, huh? It's important to use glove on it. So apply it, take the time. This bike have about now a bit more than 40 years old. They were bought in 1917 or 1975, the other models. Previously they were protected by a light coat of oil, such as the 3-in-1 oil, or the French counterpart, which is the grip oil. Okay. Now you have to wait that it becomes dry and use the clean part of the wood steel. Okay, so it's not dry. This part is drier because I use a thinner coat of the product. can see that the wood steel is working quite hard and it's disintegrated, but it's normal. Who's the fine one, please? 000 at least. Have this one. Okay, so on the right side of the valve, the untouched, but clean, yeah. Problem with the autofocus. Voilà. And on the left side is the polished. You can notice with the light that it is very more shining and it looks like much more renewed. That was the Magic Chrome. Yeah. About the mudguard, you can also use it on this kind of mudguard. Yeah. You can see it doesn't shine, it doesn't reflect very well, but okay. So let's see what you can get using it. It doesn't remove the damage on the metal received in its life, for sure. So you will have to use sandpaper. Okay, that is well applied. Use the clean part of the wood steel. And ho, you can see me, and here, less, much less. So when it's very clean, use a soft clothe. Yes, see, you have some little marks on it, and it is so much more beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean the wheel just as close to. And you can see maybe that it's shining more after you use the clothes. Voilà. Try to zoom on it. on the left untouched part, on the right the cleaned one. Okay. You can see it's so much more shiny. Yes. Okay. So that was my test. Hope you enjoyed it. And bye bye.